Tears one, my darling dear, your mighty words astound me, but I've no need for mighty deeds when I feel your arms around me. But I would bring you rings of gold, I'd even sing you poetry, and I would keep you from all harm if you would stay beside me. I have no use for rings of gold, I care not for your poetry, I only want your hand to hold, I only want you near me. Sweetly hold for the dancing and the dreaming through all of sorrows and the lights. I'll keep you laugh inside me. I'll swim and sail beside the sea with never fear of drowning, and gladly ride the waves so wide if you will marry me.
Forgive me if I still stutter from all of the clutter in my head, 'cause I could fall asleep in those eyes like a waterbed. So I seem familiar, I've crossed you in hallways 1,000 times. No more camouflage, I wanna be exposed and not be afraid to fall. Oh, I'm gonna muster every ounce of confidence